Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search for Pixiv and you will update your app if you find updates here. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.